Well, the sun is up. I've seen what I wanted to see. I guess I should go back to Maneuver and finish the end of my watch. Probably.
We're going to San Juan. I'm not sure.
Here we are, traveling the streets of Puerto Rico on our way to find a car. This van is scary.
You got that number, right?
Tell me what you think about Puerto Rico.
Shitty.